In this video, I'm going to show you how to use affiliate tools with checkout and funnel builders in a quick, easy way. If you've been struggling to make everything connect smoothly, stick around because I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do to streamline the process and start converting sales faster. First, let's talk about why you need affiliate tools in the first place. Affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your sales without a huge upfront investment, but it only works if your checkout process is easy and efficient. That's where funnel builders come in. They allow you to automate the entire customer journey from interest to purchase. Now, how do you actually use affiliate tools with funnel builders? The first step is to integrate your affiliate program into your funnel system. This ensures that every time someone purchases through your affiliate link, the system knows who gets the commission and tracks that sale automatically. Most funnel builders offer built-in affiliate tracking, but if you're using a third-party affiliate tool, make sure it integrates seamlessly with your checkout process. Next, you'll want to set up your checkout page. Your checkout page needs to be optimized, simple, and functional, but it also needs to know if the customer is coming from an affiliate link. If you're using our recommended software, this is automatically handled for you. You just need to make sure your affiliate tool is connected and the rest is done behind the scenes. When you're setting up the affiliate links, you want to ensure the commission structure is clear. For example, will affiliates earn a flat rate per sale or a percentage? Make sure this is set in the affiliate tool, and once someone clicks through from an affiliate link, it's tracked in your system. The best part? The software will automatically track every affiliate sale and ensure affiliates get credited appropriately. You also need to set up the correct redirects. This ensures that when someone clicks on an affiliate link, they're sent directly to the right funnel or product page. This way, you're not only getting the affiliate commission set up properly, but also improving your conversion rates by sending potential customers down the most efficient path. At this point, you should also test everything. After connecting your affiliate tool to your checkout and funnel system, make sure to test the entire process from the affiliate link to the final purchase. This is crucial to ensure everything is working smoothly and affiliates are getting paid. For those of you who want to follow along, I've got a great deal for you. The software we're using today is offering an exclusive free trial to viewers of this channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Don't miss out if you want to implement these strategies yourself. The key takeaway from today's video is this. Using affiliate tools with checkout and funnel builders can automate the sales process and ensure affiliates get credit for their efforts, which ultimately increases your sales. Don't forget to check the description for the free trial link so you can start using the software I've recommended. Quick revision. Integrate your affiliate program, connect it to your funnel builder, set up commission structures and redirects, and always test the process to ensure everything is working. Once you've got that set up, you're ready to start boosting your conversions. Make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.